Hey guys, Core44 here today with another video. Today we're playing Saints Row 3, and something bad will happen. Okay, so Zombie Apocalypse is happening, and it's all outside our doorstep. And 1 second, while I set them up, not mod, sorry, cheat code, yeah. Okay, so what's going on is it's me and Sean. So we're trying to survive the zombie apocalypse. Yeah, fat freaking Hulk. Here. Oops. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, we'll be like messing around and see what we can do. So first, let's go get helicopter. Let's go kill some zombies. Right? So I was thinking my helicopter, so just drop a bomb. Oh my god. Oh my god, survival, really? I did not sign up for this. Wait. Okay, Shandi, get up. Brush yourself off. And let's go steal the motorcycle. Yeah.
No,
buddy.
steal the BMW.
What the heck are you doing? Oh my god. Okay, there's a helicopter. Zombies. Oh my god. Shandi. God, just hop in the motorcycle. Get in. Shandi. Get in the motorcycle. He's blocking on me. Let's go. Let's go. We're out of here. Back Hulk away! Yeah, about that. God. What the? Oh my god! How long can you do this? I just killed myself! Hey, Shandi. What's up? Yeah, where's that base? See ya. Surprisingly, I'm really fast. This. What's up? Jump. Stop jumping. Yep. Yeah, man. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We're here. And let's go get, because I downloaded this from the PlayStation Plus, and when I got it for free for PlayStation Plus, and then what happened was I got the pre-order edition for free, so I got this thing. Might want to run. Okay, let's get out. Let's go down here, and we're gonna get ourselves something. A secret no one knows about. Get in. Not really secret, because it's awesome. Let's just go start murdering people. Let's go. I do not really know how to use this. turn out zombies. Okay, how do I use this? Do I just eat people up in the front and just like suck them out? Yeah, that's what I want to do. How's this thing work? There. Oh, there it goes. Yay, I ate someone. Crap, I'm out of ammo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just eat people. I'm just running over people. I feel so bad. Sorry. Oh, you made it out of there. No, I don't feel as bad. What? I didn't get any of them. Guess you can't get motorcycles people, right? Motorcycle people? I have to eat their body after they fall out. Right? Yep. Okay. Find some people, eat them, and toss them. What? My controller did not see me. Screw that. Okay, let's go. It's a helicopter. Where's that coming from? Where is it? Ow! Kill him. Nuke these guys. Really? Yeah. Oh, riot shields. Crap. Hulk? What? I teleported in here. Ow! Get inside. What? I'm writing Saints to just join me. Okay, then let's screw that up. I'm getting out of here. I'm quitting my job. I don't know anything. Helicopter. Hey! Oh my! What the? Oh, but unepic. No! Oh my! Come and save me! Get out! Stand up for your rights. Messing around. That's so epical. It's the first video of Saints Row 3 messing around. And, yeah, we'll be back for more with, that Hulkman. And Octopus Gun, yeah. Working tight. Oh. It's really funny for some reason. Amazing just to see octopuses explode and kill people. And I shot a helicopter out of the sky. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video, and see you guys later. And okay, Octopus say bye.